FHA SFR Appraising Handbook 4000.1, page 43. C. Required analysis and reporting. When the appraiser obtains evidence that any of the water quality requirements are not met, the appraiser must notify the mortgagee and provide a cost to cure. 1. Conditions for individual water supplies. The appraiser must note the deficiency of NPR or NPS if the subject property contains a well located within the foundation walls of an existing dwelling, and there is no evidence that the local jurisdiction recognizes and permits such a location, that it is common for the market area and does not adversely affect marketability unless the well is located within the foundation walls of a new construction dwelling in an Arctic or subarctic region. The appraiser must report when water to a property is supplied by dug wells, cisterns, or holding tanks used in conjunction with water purchased and hauled to the site. The appraiser must report whether such systems are readily accepted by local market participants and that the water supply system may violate NPR or NPS. The appraiser must note the deficiency of NPR or NPS if the subject property has a water source that includes a mechanical chlorinator or is served by springs, lakes, rivers, sandpoint, or artesian wells. A pressure tank with a minimum capacity of 42 gallons must be provided. However, pre-pressured tanks and other pressurizing devices are acceptable if delivery between pump cycles equal or exceed that of 42-gallon tank. Tanks must be equipped with a clean-out plug at the lowest point and a suitable pressure relief valve. 2. Required analysis and reporting. The appraiser must note any readily observable deficiencies regarding the well and require tests or inspection if any of the following apply. The water supply relies upon a water purification system due to the presence of contaminants, corrosion of pipes, plumbing, areas of intensive agricultural uses within 1/4 mile, coal mining or gas drilling operations within 1/4 mile, a dump, junkyard, landfill, factory, gas station, or dry cleaning operation within 1/4 mile, or an unusually objectionable taste, smell, or appearance of well water. The appraiser must also be familiar with the minimum distance requirements between private wells and sources of pollution and, if discernible, comment on them. The appraiser is not required to sketch or note distances between the well, property lines, septic tanks, drain fields, or building structures, but may provide